Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to take integer input and user need to print count of how many digits present in the number in the user input. So for example, I'm taking 5, 6, 8. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So output should be 3. So output should be 3. A simple problem. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So import java dot little dot star scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So intent is equal to sc dot next in. For counting the number of digits, I'm taking a count variable and I will take while loop and n should be greater than 0 until this loop will be iterated. So I will give n is equal to n by 10. What will n is equal to n by 10 will give? It will remove the last digit. So it will remove the last digits and I will do count plus plus. So what I'm doing, so I'm taking the last digit and I'm removing and I'm counting. I will remove one number and I'm counting. So whenever I'm removing one digit, for example, 5, 6, 8, right? So I'm removing 8 and I'm doing count. So 8 is 1. And again, the loop will be executed until n greater than 0. Until it becomes 0, this loop will be executed. The loop will iterate until this condition fails. So after removing 8, what is the remaining 56? So 56 is greater than 0, right? So I will remove again one number. So 6 will be removed and I will do again count. So then it will become 2. And I will remove and after removing 6, 8, what will be the remaining number? 5. So 5 is greater than 0, right? So again this loop will be executed and remove the fifth digit and I will do again count plus plus. Now it becomes 3. Finally, so there is no numbers. So 0 greater than 0. So this condition fails and it will come out of the loop and I will print count. That's it. A simple problem. So I hope you understand this problem. It's a simple problem. We know, right, what a division operator will do. When a number is divided by 10, then it will remove the last digit. So let us run this program. So we got an error. So let's comment this and run this program again. So there is no error. I'm giving 5, 6, 8 out. 5, 6, 8. So what is the output? There is three numbers in that, three digits in that number. So output should be 3. See, the 3 is the output. We'll run this program again. Now we will give the random numbers. We have given 6 numbers. So output should be 6. See, 6 is the output. So I hope you understand this program. So that's it, friends. So if you find this video is helpful for you, and then please like the video and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.